So we have the two smaller tread-ins ideal for strip grazing here. We got the one with a foot, remembering that the steel goes from here all the way up to here, so it's very strong. And then the normal standard foot. We've got the cows grazing. You see how they're flattened, they've already grazed in the ground. And that's where they're still got to go. So just showing the tread-in, it's got like the nail on where you can just clip it in easily. Slide it in, slide it in. So when you're putting it in, when the guy's walking along, we switch the fence off. You can quickly just click it in and click it in. So you can use any of the things. It's a quick process to clip in. And if you want to, when you finish the end of the day, you can quickly just use you can just by turning the tread in as you pull it out the ground, pull them out and walk with them. So it's simple to put in, simple to take out. And just like I've done it in the previous video, he clips the tread-ins in once he's knocked it on the ground. Quick knock in. We're on Donnie Slover's farm this morning. We've got a Stafix X18 in this box. It's feeding back from these reels. The power you can see, even with the thick grass, it's able to blast through. Box is live, or I can touch it, and there it feeds off down the fence line. From the fence line, the guys are just touching the wires along it and putting their cross pieces out. These cattle have been in here for about 30 minutes. They're going to be in here for about an hour. So these 500 cattle will move into this next section and into the next section. So during the day, he's going to flatten this whole area. And by the end of the day, this area is going to look flat like that area in the back there. All the grass grown with piles of cow patty and urine. And then the ground's given a long period to recover. But no ground wasted here. You really see how nicely they've eaten the ground fat over there.